Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. On 30th of April, we celebrated our 15th wedding anniversary. So in this video, I thought of sharing with you all few glimpses from our wedding album. Also, we had Joe's friend coming down with his family from Norway. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you all our Wales Part 2 trip as well. All this and much more, do watch it till the end. Now in this Wales Part 2 trip, we'll be viewing one more castle, few waterfalls here and there, and some amazing mountains, valleys, and some interesting drives. First thing in the morning, we had the English breakfast from Hilton Hotel itself. As you can see, it's a nice kitchen and dining area here. We had lots of variety. Now for English breakfast, we normally have bread, butter, jam, toast, egg toast, scrambled egg, baked beans, and what else, like sausage, bacons, and also hash browns. Hash browns are my favorite, especially the ones which are fried in butter. They're very yummy. So Jose and Aryan, they had toast. I tried scrambled egg. Everything was good actually. They also served some fruits, salad, and fresh juice as well. After this, the first destination was the Caernarfon Castle. Now again, this is another interesting castle. We'll be going around this castle and spending some lovely time here. In the past 15 years, we traveled a lot as a family. We gathered a lot of good memories. Even when Aryan was a kid, we used to take him around places. It was really fun. I don't know why I love visiting castles. Whenever we make a trip, we definitely check out whether there is any castle nearby. And if there is one, we definitely try to visit it. Another interesting aspect about this Caernarfon Castle is Prince Charles was invested here as the Prince of Wales in 1969. Now this Caernarfon Castle is slightly bigger than the Conway Castle which you have seen in part 1. Here we are going around the castle now, and we'll be climbing on one of the top towers. As you can see, there are a lot of towers here and there, and we can climb on any one of the towers to get the same experience. Now finally we climbed on one of the top towers, and these are the stunning views from there. We can view the entire fort actually. After this, we had some refreshments from the coffee shop at the castle, and since it was a weekend, there was crowd. There are a lot of mountain valleys here in Wales, and drive through these countryside roads is simply amazing. Even in Yorkshire, you have places like this, but you don't have so many mountains around. So I was really enjoying going around these places in Wales. After this, we reached a place called Beddgelert. Here you have some waterfalls and streams flowing around. Aryan was really tired and he wanted to take a small nap here. So myself and Jules, we parked our car and we just came forward to view these streams. Now it was on a different day and it was raining continuously in the morning. I think only after 10 o'clock or something it stopped raining and we covered few places. Now when you book your holidays, you're not sure what kind of weather you actually get. The weather is quite unpredictable here. It was worth coming down here. Indeed a pleasant sight to see these fresh water streams flowing around. Now we were moving towards the YPass, and in between we have few more locations like this with some mountain valleys and lakes. So we just took a small break here again, 5 to 10 minutes, and captured these amazing visuals. Now just few minutes drive from here you have the famous tourist attraction spot, that is the YPass, which is a mountain pass here in Snowdonia. So this is the YPass. Normally people come down here. There's a small car park as well wherein you can park your car and enjoy some time here. So surrounding this you have a lot of beautiful mountains and valleys, and there are mines behind it. So just viewing these surroundings from here is simply amazing. Nature is really so relaxing. We spent some lovely time here clicking pictures and taking selfies. You don't get to see these kind of mountains and valleys every day in your life. So when you come out and explore these kind of places, you need to make most of it. It was almost drizzling by the time we were leaving, but we enjoyed thoroughly here. You'll find similar locations as you go ahead, but you don't have such a big car park. So you need to find a small safe space beside the road and park. And after this, we move to the next destination. We also visited Portmeirion, a small village in North Wales. This was built in Italian style. So there are a few places here around wherein we can walk and explore. You also have some cafes and restaurants behind this. It was cold, it was drizzling, but still it was exciting. There were other tourists as well, of all age groups, and people were exploring these places. So, this is the first spot here. Now, from here, if you can see, there's a nice view of the beach around, and also towards the other end, you'll find that white building. So, we'll be walking down towards that white building over there. Nothing much. They built some places around, and you have some coffee shops behind it, a nice restaurant, and everything. It's kind of like a small village here, tourist attraction. That's it. So we'll be walking down and going towards the other end. We almost reached the other side of the beach here, wherein this white building is located. It was a 10 to 15-minute walk and nice experience. Nothing much is here, as you can see. It's just kind of like a building or a monument, whatever you can say, built up where people normally come, spend some time, click some pictures and all. So there's other attraction over there. There's a boat and all kept. People normally get on that and click some pictures. So myself and Jose, we were trying the Titanic pose. There were other couple as well who came down with us and gave us some company. It was really fun. So these are the places which we covered in Wales. After this, we came back home, and we were expecting a guest. That was Joe's friend and family who were coming down from Norway. Even they visited Wales, and on the way, they wanted to come down and see us. So this is Nitish, Joe's friend, and this is Rekha, his wife, and they have a daughter. That's Trisha. She's very cute and active. Aryan bought some chocolates for Trisha, and she was really excited opening her gift. And they bought some nice Norwegian cups for us. These are transparent cups. They were looking cute. And after this, we all went to Taravadu Hotel. Now, whenever we have some Malayali guest coming down, we prefer going to Taravadu Hotel because that's a famous South Indian restaurant here, and the food is really delicious over there. So we booked a table over there, and we all went down and enjoyed the South Indian Kerala food. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.